Hi, my name is Antonio Salazar, and I wanted to give a brief overview of my final project called fRead. So we're in the app right now, and once the user opens it up for the first time, they're going to be asked to sign in to become a Firebase user, essentially because their data is going to be stored in a Firebase database, so they have to become a user. So the user can actually authenticate with a Google account, a Facebook account, or they can even create their own account with an email and a password. So I'll go ahead and log in with my Google account. And we should be able to see, log in with my Google account. Awesome. And we can actually go ahead and see I already have some articles saved in my account. So if you click on one article, it'll pull up the detailed view of it, and you can actually go ahead and read that article. It's a nice clean article. It was extracted from an article online, and basically created a nice clean version of it. So the user can actually share that URL with a friend if they'd like to. They can actually add tags to the article. That's basically an easier way for them to filter and search for their articles. They can also view the web view version of the article that they saved. They can also delete the article if they would like to as well. So that's the article detailed view. If you go back and we move on to our next tab, which is the tags tab, this tab shows the user's tags, and it's an easier way for a user to filter through, say if they're looking for an article specific to the comedy tab or tag, and it'll actually go through and only display articles that are tagged with the comedy tag. So it's an easy way for them to kind of filter through, um, their article list. The next tab we got here is the dictionary tab. It's a very simple, um, just a dictionary app or a dictionary functionality that pulls from the Oxford API. And so if a user wants to know the definition of a word, they'll just go ahead and enter that word into that search bar, and it'll pull that definition from the Oxford Dictionary. And lastly, we have a little profile tab with the user's name, email, and then a button for them to sign out. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a menu item where a user can actually edit their tags. They can create new ones as well. Dogs, create new tags. They can even delete a tag if they want to. Delete cat. And then they can also edit the name of the tag as well. So that's the edit tags view. And so the real beauty of this app is when the user is, say, reading an article online in a web view, and they kind of want to clean up the article so there's no clutter. They can actually share that URL with a read mode in the fRead app. So they share it right there, and the app will go ahead and extract all that text from the article and kind of populate it into a cleaner view so the reader can just kind of focus on just the text and read that article in a clean fashion. If they want to save this article to their account, they just click on the bookmark button, and that snack bar will pop up. They can actually even add more tags to that article so they can actually filter for it later on. And lastly, I did want to show there is a widget for the app that the user can actually put on their home screen that will show, resize this, it will show a list of the user's articles as well. So that's pretty much all the functionality I would like to keep adding to this app. Thank you so much for watching.